The expandable design offers 30L of storage to hold 2 DSLR SLR camera bodies and 3 to 6 lenses. Padded laptop sleeve, pocket holds laptops up to 16, see listing for exact measurements. 3 Flexfold dividers protect cameras, drones, and lenses. Works as a professional camera backpack. Waterproof 400D nylon canvas shell. DWR impregnated and poly-coated. Premium weatherproof zippers. Exterior sub-divided interior pockets carry memory cards, batteries, pens, filters, and more. This is the V130L backpack. Top reviews from the United States. I am not a professional photographer by any means. Just a casual person traveling and wanting to take some photos here and there. This is the first bag I have found that fits my needs perfectly. It fits my gear easily, Nikon DSLR with 2 lenses, GoPro Hero 6, chargers, batteries, iPad, Surface Book 13.5 though the padding could be better, and allows for quick side access. Its water resistance has never failed me and its comfort is exceptional. A 5/5 for being a photography bag. Now, I would love to see a version of this bag aimed towards business professionals. As a medical student, carrying this bag to the hospital is not ideal, because I have no place to store books, lots of papers. It is good that it fits my white coat inside the Velcro compartments, but I would have loved to see a more business-oriented version. See, this bag is so well made that I want to use it all the time and never use a bag that is not this good again.